Have you ever thought about how the food you eat affects your health? It's a question that doesn't cross our minds often enough. We've been conditioned to think of food as a source of pleasure, a reward, or even a guilty indulgence, but rarely as a vital tool for maintaining our health. Common misconceptions about diet and health have led many of us down the path of quick fixes and fad diets, but the reality is much more complex. Simply put, no single food or diet can guarantee good health. It's about the overall pattern of your eating habits. Nutrition is not just about avoiding disease or shedding pounds. It's about nourishing our bodies, fueling our day-to-day activities, and enhancing our physical and mental well-being. And yet, it's one of the most overlooked aspects of our health. So, it's high time we look at nutrition in a new light. What if we told you that the key to a healthy life lies in your food? Yes, you heard it right. It's not just about satisfying your taste buds, but more about nourishing your body. Let's dive into the fascinating world of nutrition and its profound impact on our health. The first thing to understand is that nutrition isn't a one-size-fits-all concept. It's a complex and dynamic process that involves the intake of different nutrients, each playing distinct roles in our bodies. Let's start with proteins. Often dubbed as the building blocks of life, proteins are vital for growth and repair. They help build muscle, skin, hair, and even our DNA. So yes, that chicken breast or lentil soup isn't just delicious, it's helping you build a stronger you. Next up, carbohydrates. They are your body's primary source of energy. Think of them as the fuel for your internal engine. Complex carbs like those found in whole grains, fruits, and vegetables keep your energy levels stable and help you power through your day. And fats? Despite their bad reputation, they're not all villains. Healthy fats like those found in avocados, nuts, and fish are essential for brain function and hormone production. They also help your body absorb vitamins. Speaking of which, vitamins and minerals, though needed in smaller amounts, are the unsung heroes of nutrition. They support a host of bodily processes, from boosting your immune system to keeping your bones strong. For instance, vitamin C helps heal wounds, while calcium is essential for strong teeth and bones. Speaking of bones, minerals like calcium and phosphorus keep them strong, while iron is crucial for red blood cell production. And let's not forget fiber, a superstar nutrient that aids digestion and can help control blood sugar levels. Each nutrient, in its own unique way, contributes to our overall health and well-being. They're the silent workers, toiling away behind the scenes to keep our bodies functioning at their best. So the next time you sit down for a meal, remember, it's more than just food on your plate. It's a symphony of nutrients, each playing a vital part in your body's grand performance. Clearly, the saying, "You are what you eat," holds more truth than we might realize. Now let's dive deeper into how nutrition directly impacts our health. Imagine our bodies as a finely tuned machine. Just like a car needs the right fuel to run smoothly, our bodies require the right nutrients to function optimally. Certain nutrients are the building blocks for our bodies, while others fuel our energy, repair damage, and bolster our immune system. Take calcium, for instance. This mineral is not just about strengthening our teeth and bones. It also plays a crucial role in muscle function, nerve transmission, and maintaining a regular heartbeat. When our diet lacks sufficient calcium, our bodies compensate by drawing from the calcium stored in our bones, which over time can lead to weakened bones and risk of osteoporosis. On the other hand, let's consider the power of a balanced diet. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains can be a shield against many chronic diseases. For example, a diet high in fiber found in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can help to maintain a healthy weight and lower the risk of heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and certain types of cancer. Then we have the superheroes of nutrition, the antioxidants, found in a variety of foods like berries, leafy greens, and even dark chocolate. These powerful compounds help protect our cells from damage. They are like the body's defense team, warding off the harmful effects of free radicals and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. But let's not forget the role of hydration in our health. Water is vital for nearly every function in our body, from regulating body temperature to flushing out toxins and aiding digestion. So, Keeping well hydrated is as important as eating a balanced diet. In this intertwined tale of health and nutrition, the message is clear. What we eat directly impacts our well-being. It's not just about maintaining a healthy weight, but also about preventing disease and promoting overall health. The impact of nutrition on health is undeniable, and it's a relationship we can't afford to ignore. So, how can we ensure we're getting the right nutrition for optimal health? Embarking on this path to better health may seem daunting, but it doesn't have to be. It's about making small, manageable changes to our eating habits that can have a huge impact over time. Firstly, let's talk about the importance of balanced meals. It's not about completely eliminating certain food groups, but rather ensuring we're getting a good mix of nutrients. Think of it like a seesaw. You wouldn't want it tipping too much to one side or the other. Instead, aim for a bit of everything: proteins, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, and minerals, all in moderation. Next, let's add a dash of variety to our diet. Eating a wide range of foods not only keeps our meals exciting, but also ensures we're getting a spread of different nutrients. So don't be afraid to try new fruits, vegetables, grains, and proteins. Variety is, indeed, the spice of life. Now, on to portion control. It's not just about what we eat, but also how much. Even the healthiest foods can contribute to weight gain if we eat too much of them. So, let's keep an eye on those portion sizes. A simple tip is to use smaller plates and bowls. This can trick our brains into thinking we're eating more than we actually are. And let's not forget about hydration. Water plays a crucial role in almost every function of our body. So, aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day. And no, coffee and soda don't count. Lastly, before we make any drastic changes to our diet, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional. They can provide personalized advice based on our individual health needs and goals. Remember, the journey to better health begins with the first step. So let's take that step together. One bite, one sip, one meal at a time. Let's take a moment to reflect on what we've learned today. We started by questioning the norm, challenging the status quo of our diets, and discovering the profound power of nutrition. We've seen how our stories of health and nutrition are deeply intertwined, like the roots of a tree in fertile soil. We've learned that nutrition is not just about what's on our plates, but also about the quality and diversity of our food. It's about the rainbow of fruits and vegetables, the whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats that fuel our bodies. We've also explored practical ways to boost our nutritional intake, from mindful eating to meal planning. And remember, this journey towards better health is not a sprint, but a marathon. It's about making small, sustainable changes that can make a big difference over time. As we conclude, let's keep in mind that nutrition is more than just eating. It's about nourishing our bodies and minds for a healthier, happier life. Now that you've learned about the power of nutrition, why keep it to yourself? It's time to spread the word. We encourage you to share this video with your friends, family, and anyone else who might benefit from understanding the true value of nutrition. This isn't just about us. It's about creating a ripple effect. By sharing this information, you're contributing to a wider awareness of health and nutrition. You're helping others make informed decisions about their diet and lifestyle. Remember, sharing is caring. Every time you share, you're not just passing on information, you're potentially changing a life. So let's make the world a healthier place together, one video at a time.